Hello, I'm Andrew, and this is 4 facts in 60 seconds on the Tjernlund Duct Booster Duct fans. Now the first fact I want to emphasize is that these are professional, commercial grade products. A lot of fans may look like these, but these are manufactured to the highest standards and trusted by HVAC contractors across the country. Second fact is that these can be activated when your furnace or air conditioner blower come on with our PS1503 switch. The combination of these two activates the fan with your furnace blower. Third fact is these can be speed controlled, and to do that you would need our SC-1 speed control. And fourth, I get a lot of questions about location. Where you want to put this is right where your furnace blower is starting to die off, right when it's starting to get weak. This will pick up the speed of that air and boost it the rest of the way. That's 4 facts in 60 seconds on Tjernlund's Duct Booster Duct fans.